You don't need a bunch of fancy tools in order to get started recording and making content. Everyone wants to become a content creator, but no one is actually showing you how. I'm Georgie-Ann, a business coach who became a paid content creator in less than 6 months. In this series, Content Creation 101, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to become a content creator. All you need is a camera, so that could be your phone, a mic, also your phone, or you could purchase an external mic for like 15, 20 bucks, a light, your phone, or an external light for, again, 15 to 30 bucks, and a tripod. If you have those 4 items, you're ready to go as a content creator. Start with what you have on you. You'll also need some editing software. Instagram has Edits, their editing software. You could also edit directly inside of Instagram. You could also use apps like CapCut, InShot, or iMovie that are completely free tools for you to edit your videos. I highly recommend learning fully one of these editing tools. You could go on YouTube to get tutorials completely free to better understand how to use these tools, as well as, when you do have the budget, investing into the pro version of at least one of these tools so you have a whole suite of editing features unlocked and available to you. And now here's the key point. Only upgrade your gear if you need to. Many content creators often spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars on expensive gear just to end up not recording, not making content, and actually never using those tools that they purchase. Use what you have, start where you are, start small, and then you can expand and grow big. In the next episodes, I'm going to be talking to you about how to find those resources that I mentioned about 2 episodes ago from other content creators, so that way you don't have to only ideate alone. How do you actually get PDFs, downloadables, courses, trainings, and so on? If this was helpful, go ahead and follow so you can be notified when the next video drops.